actually
She's a fan.
yeah, artist. That's her OC. Oh my God, it's packed. All right, so we're back at it again. I guess you guys could, this time of you guys seeing us, it's probably gonna be like a few months. Our weather has finally been getting nice. And my buddy said, hey, let's try to hit one of the local lakes. Because we've been looking at the fish reports and we've seen people been catching some big fish at one of the local lakes. So now here we are. Also on top of that, my parents want some more crappie for dinner. So we're gonna try to see if we can catch us some crappie. All right guys, so here's what we're using. I hope you guys can see me because the sun's behind me and so the lighting not be good. So I'll use my chesty. So here we go. This is what we're using. So Preston's actually got a little orange one, a little orange plastic. So I decided to go with a white plastic with a little green tip. So just a little 1/32 jig head, small hook.
Fire tiger. That's what that is.
Fire tiger, there you go. Look at that. That looks yummy. And then I got a, looks like about, that may be too deep. I'll lower this. But right now we're fishing in 6 foot of water and my leader is already freaking at 4 feet. So let me just fix that real quick. Make it lower. There we go. And we will cast this out there. And all we gotta do is wait. So we decided to split apart, travel down the shoreline a little bit, try to see if we can find these crappie. So I got I actually got a rod sitting out. I got 2 rods. I got 1 rod in my hand fishing for bass, and then the other rod is out there for crappie, if there's any crappie there. And I'm getting pushed by the wind, so try to see if we can catch 2 birds with 1 stone. Whoa. I'm turning. I'm moving. The wind's pushing me. Stop pushing me. Whoa. Hey, no skunk. Got a bass. Look at that, boys. First bass of the year. I'm not complaining. Look at him. He bit all. Look at that. He wanted to eat that. It's crazy. Let's go. No skunk. Fish on, boys, fish on. We got something good. We got something good. Let's go. It's actually pretty big. It's actually pretty big. What could it be? Is it a, oh my gosh. It's a bass. It's actually a pretty big bass. Oh, shoot, guys. Whoa, let's go. That's actually not a bad sized bass. Oh, and he unhooked himself. Let's go. There you go. I can't believe he bit that this little thing, dude. He bit that thing. You know, sometimes it matters. Doesn't really matter what they want. Excuse me. There you go. Second fish on the board. I wonder how my buddy Preston's doing. He's over there, so I don't know. But hey, I got one, so. I wasn't even looking, guys, and I got a fish. What is this? Dude, it's another bass. There you go. Another bass on the board, guys. I mean, the bass are definitely biting. That's for sure. If the bass are biting, where are the crappie at? It's funny how it's like, I'm not even like intentionally fishing for a bass and I'm catching bass. You know, go figure. I'm not complaining though, I'm catching fish. So, there he goes. Good guy. Nice sized dude. I'll see you, guy. Damn, it's already been an hour? Hey, Preston. What? I think we should head straight across. Because the sun's warming the water over there more. So I think the crappie might be biting over there. Now I think about it. Let's go towards that red barn. I'm like, first of all, that's illegal. Second of all, did you find the hole finally? All right, I told you they'd be over here. All right, let's anchor up. Where there's one, there's got to be multiple. Yeah, I do. Where'd he go? Yeah.
One.
One.
One crappie, 3 bass.
One crappie, 3 bass. Oh, you got 3 bass?
No.
Oh, oh no!
Well, there goes the.
What the? Oh, I just caught that on film too. Fuck! Hold on. I'm jigging for it. I'm jigging for it. I'm jigging for it. What the? What the?
Got another one. I need your basket. Where's the basket, Nick? Oh, this is a bass, I think.
Oh my god, I can't believe shit just happened to me. I'm gonna grab a big old hook or treble hook spinner thingy majig. Oh man, all right, I give up. Like you said, at least it was just one fish, right? Good times, good times. Coming in hot. Oh, actually, no, that one actually looks pretty good size.
I would say it looks a little smaller than that other one.
Grab me.
What is it, 9 inches?
9 inches.
Supposed to be the fork of the tail.
Yeah.
He's good anyways. He's over that anyways.
Cool. All right, let's not try to lose this one. Got a crappie. Oh. See if this guy is of perfect 9.5. All right, well, we got 2 crappie on the board. All right, let's see if we can catch one more crappie on the board before we go, because Preston looks like he's wanting to go. So I'm gonna see if I can get one before we leave. At least one more, at least one more. And of course, I did not, in fact, catch another one. That's usually how it goes, right? But for us, only being here for 3 hours, I'd say we did pretty good. A couple of good startup bass for the year, and 2 crappie for the frying pan. Though, I feel really bad about losing that one in the cage. Crazy stuff always happens when you're fishing, huh?
Well, you're 2. Oh, no! Oh, there goes the crappie.
With the weather warming up, I'm really looking forward to doing a lot of fishing in these next coming weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next trip. Peace out, guys.